What up? It's Wil Vitela, home technology expert, back in Anaheim Hills in Orange County for a wonderful family that I've done a bunch of stuff for them, installing 4K TVs with hidden wiring and Sonos surround sound systems. But today I'm working in the backyard, installing some garden landscape lighting, specifically Ring smart home lighting. Yes, Ring, the same company that came out with the famous Ring video doorbell. This is a Ring solar LED pathlight smart home lighting with no wires that works together with your iPhone. It works together with Alexa, all using a Ring transmitting smart home lighting bridge like this. Now it's time to get it installed. Alexa, turn on garden lights.
Okay.
Wow, that looks absolutely beautiful. Ring smart home lighting. With these Ring path lights, they give the right amount of balance of accent lighting with light output. Each of them are 80 lumens. And so it just looks beautiful out in the garden in the backyard, or maybe you want to illuminate the walkway leading up to your front door. Not only can you use Alexa to turn it on or off, but you can run it on a schedule. Whether it's 5 days a week or 7 days a week, whatever you want, you could say when the sun goes down, I want the lights to go on. And when the sun comes up, I want the lights to go off. When you're gonna do something like this, you need to get it done right the professional way. So that way you could take advantage of the technology and integrating it into your smart home system and making it nice and simple and seamless. Go to hometechexpert.com and schedule a free estimate.